Good afternoon, everybody. We are here. We are looking good and ready to go. We've got 1776 first in the chat. Yes, way. You are first, 1776. Good afternoon to you, old rounder, bro. We got 1776 PS5. How you doing, Hemi Life? Manager, what's going on, Manager? Dark Bro and Ape Love Ape. Go live with the Ape Father. Ape Love Ape. I'd love to, man. Let's check the market out and see what we got going on over here. We've got AMC sitting at the top left-hand side of the screen, $4.02 close. We need some gains in AMC, man. Adam Aaron is taking AMC to fresh lows. We've got Shiba Inu coin sitting in the top right-hand of the screen. It has been just bouncing sideways all day today between 800 and 803 points per coin. No real action going on right there. GameStop down at the bottom right is sitting at 23.72 at the close, down 2.47% on the day today. Bitcoin coming back down a little bit, but only to 30,800, bouncing off the now potential support at 30,600. So we're going to watch that play out. But Bitcoin touching $31,426 today. A very, very nice day indeed. And currently just trending slightly lower to 30,889. The NASDAQ had a pretty tough day today, finishing 1% lower at 13,492 points. AMC 402, GameStop 23.72, Dogecoin 6.8 cents. Not bad on Dogecoin today at 4% gain. Ethereum sitting 1.46% higher at $18.99. Shiba Inu coin 804. Bitcoin 30,000, not 3,000. $30,886. Mullin pulling back and giving up today's earlier gains, touching 16 cents during the opening of the market, going all the way up to 1868 very quickly, and giving up that territory, coming back down to 1696, currently sitting after hours at 1739. So Mullinato having a pretty volatile day today. Sundial, $1.30. Oh, $1.25. My goodness, Sundial caving today. 9.4% loss on Sundial. The SPY sitting at 433. BBIG 139. Highcroft Mining 31.5 cents, losing percent on the day today. Netflix getting some action towards the end of the day to close at $424.02. QQQ 362. We've got Ape sitting at $1.82. MPW 869. Tesla 250. And Novix 13.79, finished in the green. PID closing at 17.54, and Joby 6.31. A mixed day today, not too great for the stock market, but cryptocurrency doing very well. And we're gonna watch Bitcoin down at the bottom left. We've got nobody in the chat, ladies and gentlemen. My goodness, where is everybody? Pay attention. And how do you like the new bro hoodie, man? Oh yeah, red on black, the bro hoodie looking good right now. Loving it. And J-Bones is done as well. So when J-Bones comes in here, let him know that his hoodie is done, and I will be able to get that out to him pretty quick. I listen to it. I make a tiramisu. Well, Manager, very good. Very good. I'm glad you do that. Hopefully your tiramisu is very good. I'm here, and am I a nobody? No, Dark Bro, because I said nobody is in here right now. I meant because nobody is typing in the chat. Not that the people in here are nobodies. That's crazy. Sup, bro? Afternoon. Smash that like button. Absolutely. Lemon Lust, thank you very much for being in here and reminding everybody to make me happy and smash the like button. Click, can you pull up the Bitcoin Cash chart and let us know compared to Bitcoin versus alts versus memes? Because it looks like others are selling and going into Bitcoin. Yeah, you're probably right, man. Bitcoin is leading the market right now, and I forget who was asking earlier. They are correct that Bitcoin looks like a behemoth. Bitcoin looks like where you should be kind of hoarding right now. And that's because Bitcoin is kind of pulling in, let's think about like a gravitational force. It's pulling in all of the other uncertainty. So if you're uncertain about your Shiba Inu coin, you might be flocking to Bitcoin right now. That's why you're seeing it outpace other cryptocurrencies a little bit and hold up better than some of these altcoins are. Anybody that's uncertain about an altcoin may be moving over to Bitcoin because Bitcoin seems to be pretty solid. So I would keep your eye on it for that regard. But when the overall bull market returns, yes, Bitcoin is going to do well, but we should have the altcoins outperforming Bitcoin in that sort of a scenario. Excuse me, I'm here. Moji, there you are, man. I like it. You guys better be in here and you better be active. My goodness. So let's look at Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash is BCH, right? Yes, it is. All right, Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash rocketing higher today, going 108 to 132 2 days ago. Whew, breaking out of this little level of resistance, boom, 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 and ripping higher in a single 3-day period, doubling in price, going from $100 a coin to $200 a coin in 3 days. Phenomenal gains. Let me say this, okay, and I am highly considering, because it is at some resistance here. Now watch out, because you could rip up to 270 very quickly. Look how quickly Bitcoin Cash fell down through this 270 mark all the way down to 100. It could just as quickly break back up, but it begs the question for me. Are people buying Bitcoin Cash right now because they think it's a cheaper Bitcoin? Is that what's going on? Now, that might sound stupid to you and I, but if you remember, is it ETC? Yes. If you remember back in 2021, okay, I think it is, where we at here, in this area. If you remember back in 2021, Ethereum Classic rips from $14 to $173, a 15x gain in about a month period. Why? Because people thought that they were buying Ethereum. They were buying Ethereum Classic. It does beg the question from me. Do people think that they are buying Bitcoin right now, but they're actually buying Bitcoin Cash? I don't know why this chart is the way that it is. So do they think that they're buying Bitcoin, but they're really buying Bitcoin Cash? Now, I mean, if they realize that they're buying the wrong one, you're going to see it pull back and come back down from there. So please I don't know why Bitcoin Cash is running like that. It just begs the question, are they buying the correct one or are they buying the wrong one? Do you think Lady is going to hit a $5 billion market cap? I mean, that's a possibility. I don't know. That's a possibility during a bull market. That's a possibility if it somehow passes up Pepe. But I think that Milady and Pepe are kind of in like the same class of meme coins. So I would imagine Pepe would outperform Milady. But, I mean, a $5 billion market cap, Pepe hit 1.7. So I don't think it's impossible for Milady to hit a $5 billion market cap. Do I think it will? I don't know about that, but I mean, I think that it can. Mine too, then, Mr. Procrastinator. Yes, Moji. Yours is already in the car, ready to go. Yours was already in the envelope, or the bag, or whatever it is. And J Bones's is now printed and ready to go as well. So, yes, hopefully they go out tomorrow morning. That's what I'm hoping. I have been mining Shiba Inu on my computer CPU. I've got 15,000 so far. This is not going to work. If you've been mining for, I don't know, maybe a half hour or something, all right, not bad. If you've been mining for an hour, okay, still not bad. If you've been mining for a day, all right, you can let that go long term. If you've been mining for more than a day, dude, I mean, I don't know. At that point, you just got to make the decision. You want your computer to run, or do you just want to take a couple extra cents and buy some Shiba Inu coin? 15,000, dude, you're getting what? 70 cents get you 100,000 Shiba Inu coin. $8 is gonna get you 1 million Shiba Inu coin right now. So yeah, you're pretty low on that one. You might want to take that, I don't even know what it is, man, 10 cents or whatever, and just go buy some Shiba Inu coin. Might not even be worth the trouble. Clay said, you send your package like the MOS. Soon! Yes, I actually thought about that earlier today. When J-Bone's hoodie? Soon. Soon J-Bone's hoodie. Now, J-Bone's hoodie is done, as you guys got it. Wrong address theory. Yeah, it was definitely the wrong address for Moji. They said, yeah, nope, that address doesn't exist. I said, are you sure? That's where he told me he lives. So, Moji, man, I don't know if Moji really knows where he lives or not, but AMC gets some MOAS candles coming in the afternoons, after hours trading here. We are going all the way from 402 to 406, baby. We got a 1% after hours gain in AMC. Man, come on. I would actually like to see AMC rip up on news that Adam Aaron is not going to get his way. That would be beautiful. Clay bro, my friend wants to invest $200, a lady, and $200 in Pepe. He thinks he could become a millionaire in the future. I said to him, is 50 with 50%? Is 50% with 50%? We could predict, but we don't know for sure. Manager, you're absolutely right. Let me say this. So if he's investing $200, how high does he need to get? All right. He needs to see a 5,000x. If he's not investing in Pepe on leverage, he's not gonna hit it on Pepe. So let's see, 5,000 for $1 million in Pepe. Let's just say that it's got a current $500 million market cap. No, so Pepe would be at a $2 trillion market cap at that point, or a $1.25 trillion market cap for him to be a half a millionaire in Pepe. That's not going to happen unless Pepe somehow burns a ridiculous amount. Milady, on the other hand, I believe is only at a $50 million market cap. Yeah, $40 million market cap right now. So, let's just go $500,000. If he wants to make $500,000 in Milady, divided by 200, he's got a 2,500x times the 40 million. He's not going to make a $500,000 in Milady either. In order to make $500,000 in Milady, Milady's market cap would have to go all the way up to $100 billion. That would be better than Shiba Inu coin ever did. That would be better than Dogecoin ever did. I am extremely skeptical that Milady will ever do better than Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin. It is a possibility, okay? After seeing Doge and Shiba run the way that they did, I can't discount $100 billion valuations. I just can't do it. But Pepe stalled at $1.7 billion. Shiba Inu coin made it to 40. Dogecoin like 50, 60. So, 100 billion is not easy, man. That money's got to come from somewhere. So either your friend needs to invest a little bit more, or they need to burn a lot of the coin. Let's see. Clibro, any technical analysis retests of Bitcoin? Because it keeps on going up with so much bullish news of the Fed and stablecoins trying to get in a position. Yeah, so PS5, man, if you're looking at Bitcoin and the possible retracements for Bitcoin, right now, intraday, I'm still looking at this 30,600 level. On the daily chart, right, if we do get rejected, let's say that we can't sustain this move, and that 36,000 still remains, or 30,600 still remains resistance. I absolutely think that we could pull back to this $30,000 mark, all the way back to 29. If 29 doesn't hold, we're coming back down to 27. So this was a phenomenal week. Is this action sustainable? No, it's not sustainable if the sort of hype train dies down. If people calm down a little bit in Bitcoin, I think you're retesting 30. I think you're retesting 29. And I do think you're retesting 27,000. If any bad news comes our way, gosh, that scares me every single time I'm not looking at the screen. Pika Power! Thank you very much for the super chat. Pika, I gotta make sure I see this one. Hold on, I gotta make sure it stays on the screen long enough. It says, from OG! I'm so sorry I missed La Pika Mo. Just watched it, thank you, Mo. And Clay! Whoa. Does it show those emojis? Ah, dude, it shows question marks. Pika, what were the emojis? I need to know. Have a great weekend, everyone. Yes. Pika, somebody show me those emojis, or if somebody knew what those emojis were, please get them in the chat right now. I missed it there. I want to know what those emojis were. The 9, that is a superhero super chat. Yes, the 9 is a superhero super chat coming directly from Pika to Mo. Oh my gosh. Pika, thank you very much for the super chat. The superhero super sticker from Pika to Mo, because Mo sent a Pika to Pika, and Pika wasn't here for the La Pika Pika. Pika, Mo, oh my gosh, let me catch my breath. Thank you very much. I guess that's not terrible, but still crazy to see a concert. Something I know I missed it. I might have missed it, man. Very sorry to see that. I'm going to go back up in the chat and see what it is right there. Pika, I don't know if you're still in here or not, but thank you very much for the Streamlabs super chat. And anybody who wants to go directly through Streamlabs and circumvent all the YouTube fees, you can do so with the link in the description below. Thank you very much once again. All right, I'm going to do some authorized hydration. It's very warm in this room, and that superhero super sticker really gets me. Makes me want to pass out for sure. Got over 120 million Shib. Just wanted to accumulate some on the side. There you go, 1776. And how long was it? I didn't see if you said how long it was that it took you to mine that. Choo-choo, I chose Shib, Lunk, AL2, not sure with that. Doge and XRP Manager, very nice, man. Frank, you remortgaged your house to buy those tickets. Where's Frank going? Let's see here. Where we at? I didn't see what he said up there, but good. Come at Egan Trading, finally paid off. Went 40x long on Bitcoin at 26,000. It closed it today at a 31,235, 733% ROI. Oh my. Dude, congratulations, man. That is absolutely insane. I've got to say, guys, before you go out there and try to 40x leverage a trade, never do that with your whole portfolio. Okay? Never do that with your whole portfolio. A 40x long position, 3% decline in the price of Bitcoin, and it busts that trade. 3%, and you get margin called. That's... You got to be dead on. So, old rounder, I don't know, right, if you timed that, if you got a little lucky with it or what, or what your entry was, but 3% decline, allowing for a you know, I guess stop loss to be hit, or a trigger to be hit, or a bust of that position, however you want to word it, that is very tight. But it absolutely worked out for you. Dude, a 733% gain is phenomenal. Oh my gosh, dude. Congratulations on that. That's awesome. I do hope you made some decent money on it, but don't go out there and 40x the entirety of the position that you just made, dude. Conserve some of that wealth. You did awesome. I think Lady can 500x. 500. Yeah, Lady can 500x from where it's at right now. $40 million times 100 gives you 10, gives you 400 million, 4 billion. 20. Golly bump, dude. What's going to give you $20 billion market cap? Hemi Life, you always love testing the absolute limits, don't you? $20 billion market. I mean, it can do it, yes. I mean, if you're asking me if I honestly think that it can do it, yeah. Do I think that it will? I mean, chances are it's not going to do that. Odds are stacked against it. But it can hit a $20 billion market cap. Sorry, Mo. It's for Mo. Something. Sorry, Mo. It's for Mo. Mo, sorry all the Mo's. Yes, I think. Maybe. I guess that's not terrible, but still crazy to see a concert on $1,300 for 4 tickets the week they went on. So, I mean, yeah, that's not too bad. $200 to $300 to see a concert. I don't think that's too bad, especially if he's sitting pretty close. Careful, Clay. We don't want you to implode. I will not do so. I might explode, but I won't implode. Bro, my YouTube keeps crashing. Well, you keep on coming back in, Dark Bro, and keep on watching those ads on your way in. I gotta make sure. Oh, no, Dark Bro has YouTube Premium. He doesn't watch any ads. Clay Bro, question. Would you try to short Bitcoin at this level? Yeah. Yeah, I would. Look, if you're looking at Bitcoin right now, okay, and you see it at 30,800, I don't know if I would necessarily short it at 30,008 or if I would wait $200 to see how it tests my level. Now, clearly, this 30,006 is not some magic number that has to be hit. I mean, 30,008 is still right there. But knowing that it is wicked up, this could be the same wick we saw here. It could trade sideways at 30,600 for a while. It could trade sideways at 30,800. But what you're looking at is a test of resistance today. If it gets rejected off this resistance, yes, I think it's coming back down. We tested it almost twice today. We tested it here and it bounced. We tested it here and it bounced. Like this to me on the minute chart does look weak, okay? We're coming down, kind of falling through. Testing, bouncing up. Now, if we just continue to go sideways here or come down and test it again, it's still going to look pretty weak. We've got to see a decent bounce through this horizontal channel before, the intraday starts to look strong again. If you go back a couple hours today, this absolutely looks, fantastic. I wouldn't short into this. But right now, after peaking, kind of double topping, what we're seeing is a little bit of weakness as traders are trying to recover here. So would I short here? Yeah, I don't want to play Bitcoin short right now. But would I short here? Yeah, especially if it breaks down through this line right here. Okay? I mean, you can be a little bit more aggressive and try to short it before it gets to this line. But a breakdown of this line, I'd probably be a little bit more confident shorting Bitcoin right there. AMC, volatile, but still consolidation in the volatility. We're talking about 401 to 404 here, guys. Nothing really to worry about on AMC. I know it looks like a big move on the chart there, but it's a big move because you're zoomed in very, very far. When bro coin to $1, bro coin's probably already at $1, Dark Bro. I only lost $2.24 today. We know what Kenny's crazy pulls? Perfect, man. Nobody ever cried over $2.24. At least I hope not. I know wrong. I know what's wrong, Dark. It's out of gas. Something. YouTube keeps crashing because it's out of gas. Feed it, man. Feed it. How likely that Luke goes back to $20 after repeg? UFO emoji. How likely the Terra Luna Classic goes back to $20 after the USTC repeg? Well, dude, unless there's like some magic burn mechanism, I'm going to say, I mean, if I have to give it a number or a percentage, maybe like, a Dumb and Dumber, so you're saying there's a chance type of a deal. And I don't even know what statistical percentage of it. Maybe she said 1 in a million or something. Very low, right? $20 on Terra Luna Classic would be like $140 trillion market cap. We're not going to touch $140 trillion market cap. So if we repeg and there's some sort of a magic burn in there, okay, we could go to $20, but with the current supply, you're not going to get Terra Luna Classic at $20. Even if we are repegged, even if we're in a bull market, even if people are excited about Terra Luna Classic, even if Terra Luna Classic replaces the US dollar, I still don't know if you would get a $20 valuation for $140 trillion or $120 trillion, whatever I just said it would be. Ads, what do you think I am? Some sort of a peasant? I got premium, baby. That's what I'm talking about, Dark Bro. Long-term retirement portfolio closed down 0.9%, added another $1,000, giving me 15 shares of SPHY, 20 shares of PID, and a scattering of other shares for balancing annual dividend now. Oh my God, dude. Frank's making $100 a month on dividends. Dude, Frank, man, pretty soon you're going to be making the same amount on your portfolio that you make on your side hustle. That is incredible. That's the power of compounding. So pretty soon you're going to completely replace your side hustle with your portfolio, which is going to be a 100% passive investment, man. Congratulations on that. I think that is incredible. $100 a month in dividend income alone. I gotta say, go Rangers, beat them Yankees. Let's get started. I don't know anything about who's playing who. $20 Lunk, come on, baby. Let's get it. Dark Bro, man. I would love $20 Terra Luna Classic. Just because I say something's hard doesn't mean I don't want it to happen, guys. Do you know what we need to be doing is getting the extraterrestrials to buy into the Shib? 1776, if we can get the aliens to buy into Shiba Inu coin, yes, you are right, man. If they've got some of that, like, meteorite money, you know how they constantly say, you know what, there's $500 trillion worth of iron on this meteorite. If we could just harvest $500 trillion worth of iron, you know, imagine how rich we would be. If we could just harvest this meteor. Couple of things wrong with that statement. Number one, what happens when you increase the supply? You guys have seen this. When you increase the supply of iron exponentially, do you think it is still worth $500 trillion? No, because iron will... Why would you need that much iron? The scarcity helps create its value. If iron was the same quantity as like sand on the beach, you can't sell a grain of sand for anything. Why would you be able to sell an ounce of iron for anything? So that's their number one flaw, is that they're using the current prices multiplied by the weight of the meteorite. So forget about that. But also too, yeah, man, if these aliens have already harvested it, they've got a lot of money out there, and they can bring that money over here to Shiba Inu coin. I'll take it. Hey, bro! Love the technical analysis. You always save me in a trade. Some people looking at the wrong coins. Just show them the SRM chart, not financial advice. Look at divergences and the relative strength index. Yeah, guys, if you like to look at like a moving average, convergence, and divergence, something like a MACD, absolutely take a look at it. Relative strength index, if you guys want to go out there and check out the RSI, absolutely. Those are technical indicators that you can trade if you want to trade them. I prefer the overall sentiment of support and resistance levels. That's just what I prefer and what I look at. Because what can happen is none of them are going to be perfect. Support and resistance, they're not always going to hold up. MACD crossovers, I mean, it shows you the moving averages are converging and diverging, and it's crossing over there, but that doesn't indicate that it has to do something. Relative strength, something that is considered too strong, can always get stronger. If the weakness is setting in, it can always get weaker. So they all have their flaws. But some people like to say, okay, I'm only going to buy if it's a bounce off support, and at the same time, the RSI is rising and still below its overbought territory, and the MACD is also in positive territory. As soon as you start on adding multiple of all of these like technical indicators, you may never end up with a buying opportunity. TS, thank you very much for the super chat. TS says, Crow, Shib, and XRP and ETH is the bag to, oh my gosh, where? Ferreira? Where are we going with this? We're getting a Ferrari with it? What is happening here? The bag to Ferreira. I don't even know where that is, but TS, I hope you make it, man. That actually doesn't sound like a bad bag at all. So Ethereum, I like Ethereum. I would consider Ethereum right there alongside Bitcoin. If you're looking at Shib and XRP, I think XRP is a pretty good long shot. It does have some very heavy utility, so I like that one. Shiba Inu coin, I would consider that kind of your, not lottery ticket play, but one of the big movers. a little bit of a riskier play, right? But it does have one of the strongest communities in the game that has been here for 2+ years, and I don't think they're going anywhere. Finally, I like adding Crow to the bag because I do believe that during the next bull market, if the SEC does not kill the centralized exchanges, which is an absolute possibility, I think that the exchange coins, BNB, Crow, Coinbase's stock, I think that these can gain heavily in value if the SEC does not kill them. I think that the SEC wants to kill them. So you got to watch out for Crow in that regard. The SEC may not let Crow continue on, and they may make way for BlackRock and Citadel and so on to take over the industry. So I actually like that bag there. That's not a bad bag at all. Diversifying into the exchange coins. You've got your meme coin. You've got a potential winner in XRP. And, of course, Ethereum, I believe, is right up there with Bitcoin and will always be around. Let's see where we go in. Forte status there. You already know what it is, J-Bones. Loving that Forte as well. How are the Lunk burns progressing? Sebastiano Gustianini, man. Very well, actually. So the Terra Luna Classic burns, I don't want to say have stalled, but we are getting a decent average between 30 to 50 million Terra Luna Classic being burned on a daily basis. Some of the days we are as low as 25 million Terra Luna Classic being burned by the tax, okay? We still have DF Lunk out there. He's burning another 10, 15, 20 million Terra Luna Classic a day. You've got the Binance monthly burns. There's a lot of burns going on, but the daily tax burn is anywhere on the low end from 25 up to 150 to 200 million, with an average around 50 to 75 million Terra Luna Classic per day. So burns are still looking good. I actually looked at those numbers this morning. I think it was like the last 2 days, it was 50 million, the day prior, 25 million, and then the 3 days prior to that were all above 100 million. So Terra Luna Classic, the taxes because of volume is pretty, I would say, volatile. But nonetheless, we're still doing pretty good on those averages there. 1776, man. Thank you very much for 8 months, bro. I love seeing you guys' names light up for 8 months like that. Hit the like button, bros. Let's get started. There you go, 1776. Listen to that guy and smash that like button. That should be Clay's license plate. 10x gain, baby. 10x gain. Dude, 10% gain. I'll go 10% gain. Dude, 10x gain? Poosh! 10x gain, man. 10x gain, I'm out. 10x gain, we are going home. 1776, congrats, 1776, noise, 1776, yes. J-Bo's, baby. Plates don't do percentages, though. Okay, I'll do the 10x, or like a 10 slash, and I'll just go draw some circles on it, so it's the percentage sign for you. I'll draw the circles on there so it looks like a percentage sign instead of an X. Because 10x gain, dude. We are in, we are out, we are going home after that one. However, which time frame do you think, in your opinion, is best to trade Bitcoin and Ethereum? 4-hour daily. It depends on how long you're holding it. PS5. So it depends how long you want to hold. If you're looking at a long-term swing trade or a long-term trade, you're getting in, you want to hold it for potentially weeks or months, I'd go daily, okay? If you want to hold into days and weeks, I'd bounce back and forth between the, like the 1 hour and the 4 hour. If you're considering a day trade or potentially maximum of a couple days, I'd probably be looking at 5 minutes. I don't necessarily care to look at 1 hour charts. If I'm looking at entering a position or looking at trading a position, I'm looking at 5 minutes. The 1 minutes are just like fun to watch on the screen while we're doing a live stream because you can actually see it move and you can see what's going on and it does update. So that's why I got the 1 minute charts up here. I wouldn't necessarily want to trade with a 1 minute chart unless you are seriously scalping. You're going to get in, you're going to get right out, and you don't care where it goes next. 5 hour, or the 5 minute, if you're looking, or if I'm looking, let me put it that way. 5 minute, you can get a little bit better of a clarity of kind of what's happening, where the trend is, and you could open up a position to either day trade or hold for a couple days. But if you're looking at holding long term, I'd go daily chart. Have you heard of Bitcoin? And if you have, what are your thoughts on it? So I have heard of Bitcoin. I've never looked into mining it. I've never really looked into them. So my thoughts are kind of shallow on it. I don't have enough information to really like it or dislike it. But I do see a lot of people that I don't want to say cult-like, because that's probably what it looks like if you're outside of Shiba Inu coin looking in. But people are very dedicated to it, and there's a lot of people who feel very strongly on Pi, so it's probably got a decent community out there. But I've never looked into it. I've never looked into mining it or anything like that. Question for you, Clip. I was watching a YouTube video on smart contracts, so I checked Etherscan on a few of my tokens, and I had signed an unlimited contract. I revoked it. Costs $1. I bought on Uniswap. What's the best way to check your contracts, being that you got a blind sign, a few of them? I'm going to be honest, Tony D, I don't know. So Dark Bro has a decent website that he brought to my attention with Go Plus, I believe it's called. I think that's what it is. Do I have it up? I do not have it up still. So let's see if I can find that. Okay. So, yeah, GoPlusLabs.io. GoPlusLabs.io is a pretty good way of checking the safety and security of a cryptocurrency project. So, I don't even know what coin this is. We're just going to check it. Okay, does it say what coin this is? Oh, this is Pepe. So, yeah, for Pepe, you can get a lot of information on Pepe right here. The top 10 holders, this is going to include exchanges and stuff that hold it, they own 40% of all of the Pepe. So, there's 0 risky items, 3 items that should be on your attention right here. But as far as, like, the buy tax, I don't even know if this is correct at 0.01%. But, I mean, who cares if it is? That's extremely low. This breaks it down and basically shows you everything involved with Pepe. Go Plus is a decent site that you should look at if you want a lot of information before you go out. It's gopluslabs.io, and then you're simply going to check the Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain or whatever blockchain it's built on, and then copy the contract address from somewhere like CoinMarketCap. It's just right in here, and then you're going to paste it into this area right here and click check. Then it's going to bring up all your information. I think that might help you. If that's not what you were asking, then I'm very sorry. Let's see. I just want to turn $200 into $200,000 in one tradable run. So, lady, come on, baby. Let's go. Hemi Life, let me ask you this, man. Are you going to hold it to $200,000? If you can turn $200 into $200,000, you need a 1,000x gain, okay? Are you going to be able to hold it all the way up to $200,000? Can you hold through 1,000x gain? I mean, dude, you wake up tomorrow and you're sitting on 20 grand. And it starts to pull back to 14. You getting out? Or are you going to continue on? Let's see. Clibro! I can wait even 40 years. Manager, good news is, long term, you can absolutely hit gains like that. So if you can wait 40 years, man, I'd say you're in good territory. You're in good hands. I'm trying to be creative with a custom license plate. Pudgy, what do you got so far? Please talk about MBOT. All right, let's look at MBOT. Clibro, is the DXY going to pump or dump? And are they printing more money? Respect. Oh, geez, dude. I hope they don't print any more money, okay? Right now, the tools that they're using, that the Fed is using, is interest rates. They're increasing interest rates. Are they printing more money at the moment? I don't think that they have the intentions of printing more money. I hope that they have learned from their mistakes in the previous just unlimited print. But I will say this. I don't think that they have any sense of where the cap should be. If they want more money, they will print more money. I don't think that it's a good idea, but I absolutely think that they will print more money if they want to. DXY real quick, and then we'll try to look at MBOT. For those of you that don't know, DXY is the dollar spot index. This is where the US dollar is trading in comparison to other foreign exchange currencies. And it's currently bouncing around a level of 102 to 103. Do I think that the dollar can bounce from here? Absolutely. So I don't think you're going to run into resistance on the dollar until you get to about 103.50. So knowing that, you could see a continued increase in the dollar back up to the 103.50 mark. Overall, however, okay, it does seem as though we are wanting to see an overall decline in the dollar. We had a very nice run through 2022 here. And right now, it seems that the dollar is coming back. We had a pretty steep curve that held up for about 3 months there. The actual trend line that seems to be forming looks a little bit more like this, okay? You've got these the lower highs being hit, and the actual trend line seems as though it may be in this area. Now, you do have a lot of horizontal support down here at the 100 mark. 100 is clearly significant. It is round. It's very difficult to break up through and very difficult to break down through. As you can see, use it as major resistance back here in 2019. Use it as major resistance back here in 2017. Major resistance in 2015 and in 2016. So it could be very heavy support on its way back down, as we've seen it tested 1, 2, potentially 3 times here. So with that being said, if the dollar spot index continues to trend or channel down into this area, we may wedge through September of 2023. If that's the case, I don't know. I mean, you're going to want to play the breakout. If it breaks out to the downside, you can see some pretty heavy declines. If it breaks back up, you can see some nice bounce, possibly back up to 105 all the way up to 109. But if you're not trading currency, I don't know how much the dollar spot index is going to matter to you. Basically, if you sign a contract that is unlimited, whoever has the contract can take your crypto out of your wallet. Well, that does not sound like something I'm interested in. So yeah, I would not want to do that. Lady, 200,000. Shiba, 500,000. Jasmine, 100,000. Tectonic, 20,000. I've bought so much enough to take profits and still got my whole bag. There you go. Hemi life. I love it, man. Total, I have 9 coins that I wait 40 years, but I must be careful who drop out, who fails, etc. Yeah, manager, you're absolutely right. So, if you really are looking to hold for the long term like that, you're going to see some major players come and some major players go. Who knows if Shiba Inu coin is going to be around in 40 years? I don't know. Who knows if Bitcoin's even going to be around in 40 years? If it is, the price should be through the roof. But Bitcoin could have just been some phase where people are like, dang, man, do you remember that thing called Bitcoin? People were buying that like crazy, and then the government came in and outlawed it. That was nuts, wasn't it? So 40 years, dude, anything is possible in that sort of a time span. My personal goal with Shiba is to get 1 billion. I currently have 165 million. I want 100 million Luke. I have 10 million right now, and I want 1,000 ApeCoin. UFO, man, that sounds like a decent portfolio right there. Hey everybody, sorry, late no notification and had to search to find you. Oh my gosh, dude. It might make a little bit of sense why people were so slow coming in here, Tim. Thank you for letting me know that YouTube is not doing its job today. Bitcoin Cash. Dude, Bitcoin Cash is soaring over the last couple of days. Bitcoin Cash up like 35% today. And we're not talking about a small coin, guys. Bitcoin Cash is a very major coin out there. Bitcoin Cash, where we at? Up 38% right now to $184, possibly getting rejected off of this level. I don't know why it's running. I don't know if people are actually interested in Bitcoin Cash, if they think that they're buying Bitcoin and they're just getting some sort of a deal. We've seen this before with Ethereum Classic and Ethereum. People thought that they were buying Ethereum, and then, of course, it ripped lower. So I do not know why people are buying Bitcoin Cash right now, but it is taking off in price. We got a King Turkey. Yes, King Turkey for Tim. What's going on, Tim? Pika throws in a King Turkey out for you. Dark Bro, Pika. Oh, yes, Pikachu. Combo. Yeah, Claybro. Thank you. Question answered. So basically, Bitcoin on a bull run now. When the DXY drops, if you compare to the two, when the DXY drop or when the dollar drops, Bitcoin pumps. Love to take. Yeah. So it makes sense if you think about it, right? PS5. So when you're looking at prices here in the United States, we look at Bitcoin in terms of dollars. If the dollar is worth less, and you're comparing Bitcoin to the dollar, and Bitcoin even just maintains its value, therefore, Bitcoin should have a higher value. If you're at equilibrium, if the dollar drops, Bitcoin's going to rise. If the dollar goes up in value, you're going to be able to buy less dollars with your Bitcoin because it's more expensive. Same as the foreign currency fluctuation. If the dollar shoots up, Bitcoin's worth less. If the dollar falls down, Bitcoin's worth more. So yeah, if the dollar, you're right. If the dollar falls, Bitcoin should go up when being compared to the dollar. Hello, everybody. Can't stay. Just wanted to hop in before the live ended. Chris, man, thank you very much for hopping in. Make sure to click that like button. See, we need a coin that increases in value every time the federal government launders money. We would all be quadrillionaires. Dark Bro, dude, if you can figure out how to peg the price of our coin to the illicit activity of the government, you'd be right, but I don't know how we would get that peg, man. I don't know how we would get that correlation there. I was in Bitcoin Cash like 90. Oh, are you still in Bitcoin Cash? Or are you taking profits? Or did you sell a long time ago, Tim? Because it is rolling today, man. Very true. But Europe with crypto are so slow. How to say it? Like zombies. But not slow, or not slow, but fast. In my country, if you go to the mall, you can buy €1 and buy Bitcoin, etc. So yeah, I can wait. Clear mind. Manager, there you go, dude. Bitcoin Cash on the new EDX exchange. It's one of just 4 cryptos on there. I think that's why it's pumping. Oh my god. Yeah, that's possible. But look, that's one of the 4 cryptocurrencies that you're going to see. That's one of the 4 that Webull wanted to roll out wallets for. That's one of the coins that you're going to be able to see available on like Cashapp and PayPal and so on. Oh boy, this EDX exchange, man, I am telling you right now, they're making way for these Wall Street fools to own the industry. For Tim's doggies. Tim, are you listening right now? Because you gotta... For Tim's dogs, we got the King Turkey, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, Pika. Hopefully, Tim's dogs are not going wild right now, but they are still loving it. It's Corrupto Coin. Tim, I like the name, man. We just got to figure out the peg right there. Pika, thank you very much for the King Turkey. Loving that. And Bitcoin on that King Turkey call seems to be turning back up and could be moving back to the upside. That little bit of, I guess, weakness we saw could be turning into some strength here. So we're going to have to see if it goes up or down. And I'm going to authorize my own hydration on this one. In memory of Pat. Pat, that hydration is for you, man. We miss you, man. It's just any time. If they say that we're doing good and the economy is booming and jobs are increasing, that must mean there's some laundering going on. Gotcha, Dark Bro. Pudgy, we would get banned from YouTube. I missed what Pudgy said. Did Pudgy say something? I missed it. Y'all got a coin. Something, I know I'm missing something. Even my cat is like, what the heck? Cat knows good stuff, man. Don't read that, Clay. So, you will not get demon. Oh, yeah. Pudgy, I honestly, I didn't even see what you said there. Shibarium is fast and still automatic, etc. sitting dormant until resonance kinetics. You are right. So Shibarium is very fast. Shibarium is extremely cheap. Okay. Shibarium could be a very nice layer 2 blockchain, but is it really going to bring value to Shiba Inu coin? That's my question and my major concern. If we don't see increased burns, well, no, it's not going to bring value to Shiba Inu coin. But it could be a very, very, very good layer 2 blockchain to transact on, and like an intermediary where money can flow extremely cheaply. Let's see. I totally forgot about my, what is that, Bitcoin Cash till today. My online bank offers roundups for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. I started it maybe 2 years ago. Nice, Tim, dude. That is, my gosh, man. Tim is just literally killing it from every angle, man. Tim is killing it from every angle. And that's the way to do it. When you forget about that, oh, I pulled it. Gotcha, Pudge. Gotcha. When you forget about it like that, you're not tempted to take it. So if my dude's sitting on 90 bucks all the way to 187 right now, doubling his money, oh my gosh. Yes, Tim, perfect. I have the headphones on. The dogs are napping. Well, dude, you get the king turkey right in your ear then. That might even be better than letting the dogs get it. Shibarium. So, yeah, we need to see Shibarium burn more, increasing their fees a little bit. Okay, off-topic question. Has anyone watched the 10th Kingdom? I have never even heard of the 10th Kingdom. Back to the Future. What's going on? Guys, a little bit of a market recap. AMC bouncing slightly in after-hours trade. It went from 402 to 407, back down to 402. Shiba Inu coin sitting sideways all afternoon. You can see it here, trying to maintain water or trying to maintain ground now above the 800 point per coin mark. This is a very strong level of resistance because we technically have not broken back up above it. We've got a nice rebound going on. Shiba Inu coin has been doing very well for about 2 weeks now, but we've not broken back up above this 800 level, and we're just kind of treading water at the moment. GameStop had a pretty difficult day today, ending 2.5% lower, $23.70. But I'm going to tell you this on GameStop, okay? When that new movie comes out, if you guys haven't seen the trailer for Dumb Money yet, the trailer for Dumb Money actually looks pretty good. It immediately made me reminisce of the glory days of AMC and GameStop and so on. If it has that same effect on everybody that was in that movement, we could be back on again. I mean, it does look like a very good trailer. I recommend going and watching it. Dumb Money, you can find it on YouTube anywhere. I'm not going to play it because I ain't going to get demonetized or anything by playing some other people's videos, but go watch that. If you were in AMC, if you were in GameStop, you're going to feel pretty good about it. I don't know if it's going to have a good ending or a bad ending. I don't know how the movie's going to go or how Wall Street and Hollywood are going to portray the entire thing. You know, I don't know if Wall Street's going to be the good guys and we're going to be the bad guys in that movie, or we're going to be the good guys and Wall Street's going to be the bad guys. You know, that's kind of tough to predict there. But GameStop and AMC might be getting a boost if that kind of reinvigorates the communities. Bitcoin trying to show some strength, getting back above the 31,000. I don't even care if it sits at 30,000, 31,000 all weekend long. We have had a phenomenal last week on Bitcoin, going from 25,000 and breaking up above $31,000. NASDAQ had a tough day today. The rest of the stock market had a tough day today. I mean, that's obvious. Everything over on the left-hand side of the screen basically sitting in the red right now, except for cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency having a strong day today and looking very good. Where are we going here? It's an old movie, but it's really good. One of my wife and I's favorites. Very nice. I haven't seen it. Dark Bro. Number 16 on the like. Something's wrong. Oh my god, guys! Click the stinking like. Like, I know we only have 36 people in here, but click the like button, man. What are you doing? Send Dokwon in jail a screenshot of linked profits. He should be proud. Resonance Kinetics. Very good, man. Very good. I hope that he is proud of you. It's been 1 year today, and all the memories are rampant, man. Yes, they are. Let's see. Are you talking? Yeah. Oh, you talking? Oh my gosh, dude, you talking about your wife? Shib should make Shib should make real gold and silver Shib money. A UFO. Tell them. They probably will. They're heavily into making real life products right now. Federal Aviation Administration, Moji. I'm with you on that one all day long, man. And maybe that'll be a part of this round 2 movement that comes along. No, we don't even trust the CEO. We are squeezing everybody. Dude, everybody was so committed and so strong. I loved it when everybody was so committed and so strong, dude, that they even came against me for trying to be realistic and saying that $1,000 was going to be tough to reach. Like, everybody was extreme, like, just blinded by the passion and blinded by the euphoria of that movement, man. It was wild. So I do hope that it gets some legs again, and that kind of activity comes back. But I hope that we don't look to those false prophets of Adam Aron and some of the other suits that are out there. Let's see. Yes, today's that day. Dang, Dark Bro, that is nuts, dude. Adam Aron, and that's my friend. He, bad man. He is bad man. And yes, there you go, man. We could eat some crayons and poop out some Adam Aron or artwork or whatever they want to do. But I like the way you pose that, J Bones. Jeez, thank you very much for the super chat. Moji needs a peach. Oh, he does. Moji, man. Moji, Clay Bros Peach, just for you, man. You gotta love that one right there. Attaboy D's. Oh, yes, Mo. Peach right there for you. It's good, bro. Cherishing the memories. Absolutely. Dark, bro. You gotta do it, man. Honestly, I don't like Adam Aron's voice. I'm not even on that AMC wagon. I just can't stand his voice. Yeah, dude. I mean, you do kind of associate somebody's voice. Like, if you were on the AMC wagon and you start to lose money when somebody is talking, you do have a distaste for their voice. So I can understand it. I don't mind his voice like that much, just as a voice in general. But dude, I don't know, man. I think it's very strange to me. I went to Trade's YouTube page 2 or 3 days ago and was looking to see if he came back or if he's been doing anything recently. Because Matt Kors, man. Matt Kors still does live streams and all that stuff. And he still gets decent views on his live streams. He's still got a lot of people. It was wild for him. And Yahoo Finance still brings Matt Kors on. I saw a video of Yahoo Finance and Matt Kors that was posted like last month. So Matt Kors still doing very well. Clearly less than when he had 75, 80,000 people in his live streams. I can't even imagine having 75,000 people in a live stream, right? So, obviously, heavily down from his glory days, but he could still get 5,000 views on a live stream. That's incredible. If you're looking at Trades, dude, Trade deleted like all of his videos, except for his interview with Adam Aron and an exit strategy for AMC. So, I don't know what happened there, man, but these kids, it must have been tough. They had a little bit more attention than I did. Good afternoon. Nick F. Good afternoon to you as well, man. I'd like more from your settlement, please. Pika. Yeah, 1 share for every 7.5. Pika, I'm with you on that one. FLR. FLR. I don't know what this one is now. Man, you guys got so many of them. 17 years for me this September. My God, Kombu. I know, 17 years. I know I missed something on that. Man. Give Dark Bro a hug. Dark Bro, right here, man. Right here. Does this look like, I don't know. It's a hug. I'm hugging the camera. Dark Bro, man, hugs to you right now. Gotta be I can't even imagine how insane that is. I don't want to imagine how you feel right now. So don't take that the wrong way, dude. But I really do not want to empathize and feel what you are feeling right now. Just don't want to do it. I wouldn't want to bear that, and I don't think that I could bear that type of pain. So, hugs to you, Dark Bro. Absolutely, man. Your AMC perfectly popped popcorn wasn't perfectly popped. Oh, no thanks, Adam Aron. No thanks. Your perfectly popped popcorn wasn't even perfectly popped. Come on. As Pika says that, a huge red line drawn on AMC from 417 down to 404. Pika, keep saying it, man. We might go back up to 417. Do something on that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, just a shill, bro. I really am a shill, man. It's too hard to get AMC to $1,000. Is that just too much to ask for? Oh my god, dude. I'm still if AMC went to $1,000, I will give you another hoodie. J Bones. If AMC goes to $1,000, you guys can clip this, keep it in your phones. If AMC goes to just $1,000, not a $500,000 floor, but $1,000, I promise I will give all 33 of you a hoodie. All you got to do is claim it with this clipped audio, and you can have that you can have a bro hoodie, an AMC hoodie, whatever kind of hoodie you want at that point. that I make, you're not going to go out and get some sort of like a, Justin Bieber's hoodie that cost $1 million or something weird. But yeah, you can have your hoodie there, and you'll be good to go. All you got to do is get AMC to $1,000. Let's go. If you in time invest in a random 000 tokens, $100, and each one day, one of them may do what Pepe did. Yeah, Resonance, you're right, dude. You're right. That's why I say do some. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in those types of tokens, but consider them lottery ticket plays. Have a good weekend, peeps. Guys, it is 5:01. The live stream goes so fast. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. You are going to enjoy this weekend. It's going to be what? The best weekend ever. Let's do the shout-outs, guys, and we're going to be back on Monday. Enjoy your Friday nights. Enjoy your weekends. And do not forget to put the playlist on loop, all of that stuff. If you're going to watch the videos tonight, watch the 2 ads. Click the like button, leave a comment. Appreciate you in advance. Moji, man, Lemon Lust, enjoy your weekend. See you later. UFO, enjoy it. AMC's Popcorn, Pika, see you later. Enjoy your weekend, Pika. D's, man, enjoy it. Tony D, Back to the Future, PS5, Moji, Kombu, Back to the Future, Pika Power, Lemon Lust. We get 1776, Dark Bro, Pika Power. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dark Bro, on Monday. Happy birthday to you, Dark Bro, man. Happy birthday on Monday, and you better believe we're going to be singing it all day on Monday. Yes. 1776, see you later, Dark Bro, Pika Power. Thank you very much for that super chat and the birthday wish to Dark Bro there. Moji, enjoy your weekend. Back to the Future, enjoy your weekend. Pika Power, PS5, Tim, man, Kennedy's Crazy Pulls, Pika Power, Old Rounder, Dark Bro, all of you guys, J-Bones, SD, Stephanie Bro, anybody out there, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say thank you very much to Tim. Oh, yeah, Tim, that's a good one, man. That's Tim. Thumbs up on that one. That is a good one right there. Sam Demand number 4, grabbing that green name. Sam, I do not know if you are in here right now, but I hope he gets the email, and I hope he comes back on Monday with that beautiful green name. Tim, dude, thank you very much for throwing that out there, and I love the fact that Sam Demand got that green name. Tim, appreciate you, dude. Sam Demand, shout out to you if you're in here right now. Lemon Lust, Kombu, Pika Power, Moji, Dark Bro, D's. All of you guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.